Amber and Nicola from Cymryd, who won last year, are going to officially launch the project.
Last year, I was saying exactly like you, and the best thing I'd advise is confidence. Plenty of confidence and plenty of ideas. Work as a team, because we sat around the table, there was 4 of us, and it was only myself and Nicola that were good friends. We didn't know the other 2 boys. And since then, we've created a really good friendship, so just good luck and do your best. It's really good, so enjoy yourselves, okay?
Y reswm dwi eisiau bod rhan o profi yw mae'n profiad newydd. Ti'n gallu rhoi ar CV pan ti isio swydd a ti'n rhoi rhywbeth nôl i'r gymuned.
Yn ogystal â wneud fy lefel A fi, o'n i isio kind of just rhoi rhywbeth nôl i'r cymuned mewn ffordd. Roedd ni'n teimlo fel person fy mod hunanhyder fi'n isel ac roedd cynllun profi yn fy marn i'n siawns da i mi medru codi hunanhyder fi fel person, so nes i benderfynu fynd i ymuno o'r cynllun profi.
With Wynebu, we're all young and some of us have experienced the issues that were raised up in the brief, so we do have some more experience than others might not have, but it could happen to any of us in the future as well, so we might want to try and stop that from happening to us. And we don't want to make them feel that people can't get jobs. We need to help people if they want a job, they can try and get one.
Bod ni'n gallu defnyddio sgiliau cyfathrebu a gwrando ni i ddod i gasgliad ar y greidiau'r problemau a wedyn beth sy'n ni'n gallu gwneud i helpu, a mae gennym ni profiad personol o helpu person yn angen trwy'r eglwys. Nathon ni prynu beic, prynu siopa bwyd, prynu travel lodge, a fel y pobl ifanc, da ni'n credu, da ni'n gallu ysbrydoli pobl yn angen efo gista.
We had the brief of helping Age Cymru expand the client base to include young people, and that might include by branching out onto e-commerce sites like eBay.
It's such a good organisation, like the charity is really good, but they definitely just needed a step up and just needed a bit more help. But I think we can definitely offer that, so I think it'll help definitely with intergeneration too, and hopefully get more young people and their elders to be mixing more with what they're buying and just expand their business, I guess.
When we were first introduced to the task, we all had no idea where to go with this brief.
Yeah.
But over the next few weeks, we all came up with loads of great ideas and worked together in creating one. But yeah, there was a dip in the middle where we realised how much we had to get done. But in the last few weeks, it all kind of slotted together. We didn't know each other that well, and I was quite intimidated at first by getting to know a group of people so well and spending so much time with them, but I think we've all gotten along really well.
Help by sponsoring the deli by donating today.
That was good. Brilliant.
This is where you're going to be doing your final argument of why they should choose you, why they should give you the £500.
Sgiliau dwi wedi datblygu trwy profi yw cyfathrebu yn well, hefyd datrys problemau, gwrando i pobl a be maen nhw'n gorfod deud.
Rydw i wedi dysgu nifer sgiliau cyfathrebu a fel hefyd dyn ni'n bod yn gorfod rhoi adborth yn gilydd a siarad nôl ac ymlaen a rhoi barn ni ar darn o waith, ac hefyd dyn ni'n bod yn defnyddio ein sgiliau gwrando, hefyd mae pawb yn fod i cael twrn i siarad a dych chi'n gorfod parchu barna pawb yn y grŵp.
Mae'n sy'n gwneud hyn drwy redeg niferoedd o brosiectau gyda phlant bach oedolion mon. Esiamplau o brosiectau yw heini, clwb i'r anfyrdio sgio, clwb judo, boxing.
Our task is to contemplate and create a project plan to present to medrau. The project would contain a step-by-step demonstration of how we would reach the end goal.
The project will focus on promoting the use of the language amongst young people by using social media. On paper, it seems that most young people can speak Welsh and Anglesey but don't feel comfortable to socialise in it.
During our brainstorming and researching, the main focus points we were attempting to tackle were how to get the younger generation's perception to change about using Age Cymru as a charity,
Wrth ymchwilio, gwelsom bod arolwg ar Llywodraeth Cymraeg yn dangos bod y nifer o bobl sy'n siarad Cymraeg ar ôl gadael yr ysgol yn gostwng yn sylweddol.
Wrth gyfuno'r faes oed 16 i 29 a 3 i 15, gallwn creu rhagdybiaeth. Mae'r rheswm tu ôl i hyn i gan ei bod yn gadael yr ysgol neu coleg, a nid yw'n orfodol, felly nid oes eisiau.
After weeks of deliberation, we finally agreed on a final idea, which was to focus on customer services, a key skill for most jobs on the market. Running free courses on customer services will offer skill development in a range of skills which could lead to personal development and lead to these vulnerable young people not losing their jobs and becoming at risk of being homeless.
Wel, profiad yw'r gair, yn dydi. Da chi wedi profi ni fel beirniad heno efo'r cyflwyniad wych o ansawdd. Mae wedi bod yn job anodd iawn. Ti'n dod i gasgliad, ti'n trio dewis rhywun enillydd heno. Ond, roedd rhaid ni ddod i gasgliad. Mae yna un sydd wedi ennill ac yr enillydd heno ydy ysgol Tryfan.
Anhygoel. Oedd o mor ddisgwyl yn dod. Llywan, mae'n bleser gallu curo ar ôl yr 3 mis o gwaith calad a anodd. Dwi'n meddwl bod fi wedi fagu hyder, definitely. Mae'r prosiect yma yn cyfle wych i fagu hyder pobl ifanc sydd yn stryglo pan mae'n dod i gyflwyno neu hyd yn oed jyst o fewn sefyllfaoedd bob dydd. Mae'r prosiect wedi helpu mewn niferoedd o ffyrdd.
Mae wedi helpu a byddwn ni rili swil a mae hwn wedi codi hyder fi llwyth.
Gobeithio fedra ni bronfwydo gymaint a gallen ni helpu mentoriaeth Môn yn ystod y wythnosau nesaf yma, ond da ni'n gyffrous iawn am allu ddechrau'r podcast. Gobeithio fydd o'n lwyddiant. Swn i'n awgrymell bod disgyblion sy'n cael y cynnig i gymryd rhan yn y prosiect yn y dyfodol yn sicr yn cymryd o, achos mae'r prosiect werth wneud a mae o'n gymaint o help. Felly swn i'n awgrymu bod bob disgybl sy'n cael y cyfle i cymryd rhan yn y prosiect yn sicr yn, achos mae o werth bob dim.